Quick update video. Got the fans all wired today. Relays. Got all that done. Basically all the wiring is done under here. All the wire loom is installed. Got the wire that goes from here down to the AC compressor. Had the OE connector that plugs right into that, so kept all that OE. Came down here to the compressor and did a I've got the compressor wire and the wire that triggers the relay wired into one, so I got a weather pack connector here, and there's that black wire that came from up there. I got that done. The temp sender, I ended up putting it at the back and then coming right off the main harness right there and going straight to it, instead of having the wire running all the way up here to the front, which I used to trigger the sensor to trigger the fans. And then of course that one I had to use for the heater hose, and that one's back there used for the coolant temp sensor for the fuel injection. I got the overflow bottle on, and the hose and the earless clamps. Got the OE heater hose holder on it. Heater hoses are on and nice and clean. I'll be doing the AC hoses tomorrow. And also, while I'm down there getting the stuff, I'm gonna get the stuff to get this figured out. I've already got the return figured out. I got to figure out the pressure deal, which I already know what I'm gonna do. I just got to get the stuff from him and all that tomorrow. But other than the AC hoses and the power steering hoses, the under hood area is done. All right, moving to the inside. I got the panels on all the way around, which for some reason the rear pan or the driver's side panels, I don't know, it's almost like they're kind of splotchy looking. I'm gonna scuff them and maybe shoot them again tomorrow and see if I can get them evened out. But figures to be the driver's side. But anyway, got the horn deal fixed. The cluster is in and all that works. Heater case passed its diagnostic test yesterday, so all those options should work once the AC is charged and all that stuff. Got the glove box on, as you see. Got the dash on. I got the new seals, as you see. I put the new foam rubber around the dash outlets